Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to share with you of a rig that I normally use for kayak fishing. I normally prepare it at home. Okay, the setup I do so far is actually I use a 40-pound line for my rig, but my snoot I can choose 20 pound or 25 pounds lah. I use a fluorocarbon line. Okay, 40 pound. Okay, I normally take out one full arm length, about 1.5 meter, and then I'll create a Apolo rig for that length lah. If shorter a bit, a single one and single one lah. So these are the Apolo rig that I normally use for my fishing so far. Okay, so the top end is a loop dead knot lah, something like that. I'm not so sure. It's not the regular you put 2 times the loop and then tie it. No, it's not lah. There's a technique to it lah. And I normally the top portion I only make a very small loop only. Okay, so from here the top down, okay, it's about this length lah. Okay, so then I will tie up to this kind of knot here. Okay, so then I put swivel to this end. Right, you can choose to heat shrink here if you want. Some people do, but I have lah, but I didn't do it lah. But maybe in the future I will do it lah. Okay, this is quite stiff. Okay, so the idea is not to get your snoot tangled to the line. Okay, and using this swivel method and this, right, after the day fishing finish, I just cut off the snoot and the hook and dispose it properly, and then the next time I just tie back another snoot and the hook. So this one is normally from here is use 25 pound or 20 pound only lah, very light line, very thin line. But this one is 40 pound. The reason why is that if sangkut, right, hook sangkut to anything, right, you pull hard lah, the snoot will break, pop, but you still get back your rig. So by doing so, right, you actually save rig, save time, and you enjoy more time fishing instead of tying knot on your kayak lah. So I strongly believe that is the way to go lah. Okay, today's session that I went for kayak fishing is very short. Okay, I think I had my lunch at about I did my Zoho prayers. Straight away I go down, put my stuff down. I reached Changi village about 1:30ish like that. Then I have my lunch there. Then I quickly go to Changi Beach Club. Didn't buy bait because I buy bait last night already. And then from there, the Changi Beach Club, I unload my stuff and everything. So I on the water for about 2:45 like that. I didn't spend much because I didn't carry a lot of things. Right? I keep it light and simple. So by 2:45 I launch. I end my fishing about 5:30. I got 4 fish. Right, so I got parrotfish, I got a snapper, I got arunggum, and the local grouper lah. So I got these 4. I release 2, I bring home 2 lah. Okay, so I use the same rig for that 4 fish, and the rig that I use is actually, I don't know how many session already I use. So save time, save money lah, like I said lah. You can buy from shop lah, but the shop one is buy one time, use one time, must throw away already, because you cannot reuse what, the snoot fray or what, then the whole rig cannot use already. But this method can. There are pros and cons lah, but this one has a lot of pros to it lah. The only con to this is that you forget that this line is very old, and somehow you kena a good one, this line fail, because this line, after exposed to seawater over a period of time, will lose its strength lah. So all the knots will be weakened over time. You don't know, right? So yeah lah, that's the only con that I can think of lah. And this thing is to be done at home only lah. While on water, you can't do this lah. So this is something I want to share today, for the rig that I normally use. So I hope you all get something from this lah. Then again, the takeaway for today's session is that I got some new stuff with me for kayak. Normally I keep the rig inside this thing lah, and I will have a folder that actually keep my rig inside. I buy it from Daiso, it's cheap lah. So today I brought along with me action camera. Okay, it's don't know which China brand lah I use lah, but it's okay lah, it's quite good lah. And then I attach it to a neck strap. This is being sponsored by Gary. He gave it to me when I purchased a reel for him, and then he said, hey, use this lah for your kayak. I said okay lah. So how it goes is that you can easily fit this to your setup here. So it's like, you know, the car, you know, how they hook up the handphone, right? It's basically the same thing lah. So there's no screwing needed and everything lah. Basically you just slot it in down here. Okay, so this one, right? You know this one, when you normally you would hook up, right? So you just slot it down, okay, and then you pull out the extension and snap it in place. That's it, done, settle already sia. So basically you just put on your neck lah. You just fish lah. But the first time I tried it, I made an error to it lah, because I didn't put it in the correct manner lah. So just try a few times, okay, and there you go. So when I wear my life vest, right, and this thing here only, so I just need to pause play, something like that lah. I have a remote control for this. It's somewhere in my room. Basically the remote control is where on my wrist. I just press record and this thing will record lah. But it's China one, so it has to be on first, then when you press, you record. But this thing actually has a standby mode. In activity, you will shut off. So it's like defeat the purpose of having these things, yeah. So what I do is that before I start to cast, I will on it first, record, and then just sit down there and then just cast, then wait for bite and let it record lah. So okay lah, defeat the purpose of having this actually. Okay, so this is one of the things that I brought along for kayak fishing. I had it quite some time already, but I didn't have a chance to use it. Fish it up to 64 GB memory card is sufficient. The battery life, there's 3 bar but I left 1. So this is a 4K resolution, so I think 64 is just nice. If you want to be safe, it's 128 lah, but 64 is okay lah to me. 128 maybe, who knows, I might need to upgrade myself in the future. There are future plans actually. Okay, so this is one of the things that I I brought along. And what else? Oh yeah, I use this hook that is recommended by Gary. This one. I don't know whether you guys can actually see this. Okay, so not that expensive, it's cheap. The size is size 9. No stroke, nothing lah, it's just 9 only. There are 21 pieces. This hook is high carbon, okay, extremely sharp. It's the Taiwan made hook lah, and the hook is not that huge lah. You don't use dead prawn, right? You cut your prawn into half, right? This is really just nice lah. Okay, and it is really sharp lah. So far when I cast, right, the cast drop ready, hold to the rod, wait for a while. Okay, when the fish bite the prawn, cannot run away from it already. Because I feel it normally it's like Apolo, right, is they eat one, then after that they run away, then you hold, right, you wait, then eat the other one, then you whack. But this time now is I hold one time bite, really, that's it. No need to let it taste first and everything, slowly bite first. No, so this thing is just nice, come in and pop, hook up. So I got a grouper, alumugam, I got the parrotfish, the snapper using this. But if I were to use this for barramundi or what, those large mouth fish, some might not be a good idea lah. Okay, but I use for that particular location. So this is for Apolo, would be really nice So size 9, ABPOLO, I don't know what is it, but it's made in Taiwan. So size 9 is really good lah, just nice It's actually, I compare it with 1/0. It is the same. The curve is this is 1/0. Okay, this is the size 9. Alright, they are quite identical. Okay, the one that I saw, this one lah, from Taiwan. The curve is the same. I put them next to each other, it's the same. Okay, see, I put them next to each other, it's the same. Lengthwise, roughly the same. So I would recommend these two hook for Apolo, 1/0 or size 9 for this. But not say 1/0 not sharp lah, but I strongly believe in one time bite pop, kena already. So that is fish on lah. I mean, one time the fish bite, fish on already. So I think it's quite good lah if that's the case lah. Okay, and there's a significant difference in result wise lah. I've been using 1/0 for many years. It has been good lah, but it's not as good as using this lah, the size 9, because today this hook is proven to be the best lah. I'll use one hook for 4 fish. It's crazy and like this one, maybe some hook break or what, something like that, or maybe miss or what, I don't know, but yeah lah, something that I want to share with you guys. If you guys want to, just get fish lah, to kayak fishing. Okay, I didn't get any bite with my dead bait fish that I had with me. No huge grouper or sea bass. So I tried to go to Batu Putih and try to get sea bass by moving around, and then after getting the 4 fish lah, I try to look for it lah around the water putih, but then I sangkut to my ankle, sangkut to this bubu. Is like okay lah. So that's it by today. I will be compiling and uploading the video soon. Hope you guys find this video very informative. I will strive to do more lah in the future. Right, so take care while you're at sea. Have fun while you are at it. I think that's about it lah. So like, share, subscribe, and I hope to upload more videos. If you have any comments or you want to ask anything, you can just comment or DM me directly. I'll be happy to assist you guys lah. That's all for you today, for this week. So hopefully I see you again when I see you. Okay, bye.